Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you speed sensor replacement. This is a 2003 Honda Civic, pretty much the same for this generation Civic. You'll need a new speed sensor from 1AAuto.com, and then 10 and 12 millimeter sockets with a ratchet extension. And you shouldn't need anything else, but you may run into problems like we did, and you'll need pliers, vice grips, flathead screwdriver, and penetrating oil.
If you have a factory air cleaner setup, you'll have to remove that. In this case, the vehicle came with an aftermarket intake. We're going to remove the aftermarket intake with this 10 millimeter bolt, undoing this hose clamp, disconnecting this sensor. Disconnect the connector on the top of the sensor. Remove the 12 millimeter bolt holding it in place. Unfortunately, we had the bolt that retains the sensor break off, and being unable to twist the sensor to work it out, the sensor broke. These kind of things happen. What we're going to try to do now is put some penetrating oil on the broken bolt and the remaining piece of the sensor to free it up. Spray penetrating oil on the bottom of the bolt for the vehicle speed sensor. With the sensor broken off, tapped it down with a hammer to free the sensor up. I now have vice grips on the shaft of the sensor. We're just going to pull up.
With the speed sensor removed, use locking pliers to remove the remainder of the bolt.
Here we have the remains of our old sensor and our new sensor from 1AAuto.com. You can see we have the same 3-pin connector, same mounting location, and the same size and style drive gear. This is going to bolt right up and fix our problem. Install the new speed sensor into the hole, being sure to line up your bolt. Reinstall the bolt into the sensor, tighten it back down. Reinstall the connector onto the top of the sensor. Now we're going to reinstall our aftermarket air intake, or in your case, it could be the OEM air box and intake setup. In the reverse order, we removed it. After you install the new sensor, you're going to want to drive the vehicle and make sure your speedometer is working properly. We just raised and supported our vehicle so the front tires could spin freely.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video helped you out. Next time you need parts for your car, please visit 1AAuto.com. Also check out our other helpful how-to as well as diagnosis videos.